Weak signal strength is the most frequent cause of BT Wi-Fi disk issues. Use the BT app or a third-party Wi-Fi analyzer app to measure the signal strength where the disk is placed. An ideal signal strength is above -70 dBm. If it's lower, the disk is likely too far from the router, experiencing interference, or is obstructed. Real-time signal strength maps are integrated in the BT app as of 2025. Correct placement is crucial for optimal Wi-Fi disk performance. Position the disk within 10-15 meters of the main router, ideally in line of sight to ensure strong signal transmission. This distance range allows for effective mesh networking while maintaining reliable backhaul connections. Line of sight minimizes obstacles that can weaken the signal. Avoid placing the disk near metal objects like refrigerators, which can block signals, or devices that operate on 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands, such as microwaves. These sources create significant interference that disrupts Wi-Fi communication. Elevate the disk on a shelf to improve signal propagation and coverage throughout the area. Avoid corners and enclosed spaces, as these locations can trap signals and reduce effective range. Performing a reset is often the first line of defense against connectivity issues with your BT Wi-Fi disk. A reset can resolve temporary glitches that cause the red flashing light. First, locate the reset button on the back of the disk. It's typically a small pinhole that requires a pointed object to access. Use a paperclip or similar pointed object to press and hold the reset button. Keep it pressed for 10 to 15 seconds until you see the lights on the disk cycle through their patterns. The reset process will restore the disk to its original factory settings, clearing any temporary configurations that might be causing the issue. After the reset completes, you'll need to reconnect the disk to your Wi-Fi network using the BT app. The app will guide you through the setup process to get your mesh network working again. Interference from other devices can disrupt the Wi-Fi signal. Common sources include microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks. Try changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router to a less congested one. If you live in an area with emerging 6G networks, this could also be a source of interference. Consider tri-band or Wi-Fi 7 compatible devices for better performance. Outdated firmware can cause your BT Wi-Fi disk to experience connectivity issues, including the flashing red light. Always ensure your disk has the latest firmware version. You can check for and install firmware updates directly through the BT app. This simple step often resolves persistent problems. If the flashing red light continues after trying other troubleshooting steps, it may indicate a hardware problem with your disk. BT has a recall program for units manufactured before 2023. These older devices may have hardware failures and qualify for free replacements. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the flashing red light issue, turn to the BT app for advanced diagnostics. The app offers remote diagnostics through integration with BT's smart home platform. This provides real-time signal strength maps and sends proactive alerts about potential connectivity problems before they become serious. If the app diagnostics don't solve the issue, contact BT support directly. Be ready to share details about your network setup and the troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Looking ahead, BT Wi-Fi disks are incorporating AI for automatic placement recommendations and interference mitigation. Future models are expected to feature self-healing capabilities that automatically resolve issues through cloud updates, reducing the need for manual resets. Predictive maintenance will become standard, with the disks proactively addressing potential problems before they cause disruptions.